शक्ति हमें देना दाता, विश्वास कमजोर होना। दूर अज्ञान के हो अंधेरे, तू हमें ज्ञान की रोशनी दे। हर बुराई से बच के रहे हम, जितनी भी दे भली जिंदगी दे। बैर होना किसी का किसी से, भावना मन में बदलेगी होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम न सोचे हमें क्या मिला है, हम ये सोचे किया क्या है अर्पण। फूल खुशियों के बाटे सभी को, सबका जीवन ही बन जाए मधुबन। अपनी करुणा का जल तू बहा के, कर दे पावन हर एक मन का कोना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, विश्वास कमजोर होना। Thank you.
Thank you for being a receptive audience. Wishing you a day filled with knowledge, success, and countless positive moments. Stay spirited and have an enriching day ahead. Thank you. Now I request all the children to be seated and all the staff members to please come on the dais.
गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
Good morning, respected principal sir, vice principal sir, and teachers, and all my dear friends.
Today we all are gathered here to celebrate Teachers' Day. Teachers have profound impact on our lives, shaping our minds and guiding us with wisdom.
As Abdul Kalam said, teaching is a very noble profession, and that shapes the character and future of our individual.
Today we want to show our appreciation for incredible work that our teachers do every day.
Let's make today special by celebrating our Teachers' Day in a grand manner.
We have planned some wonderful activities, performances, heartfelt messages, and a lot of fun to express our gratitude.
Now it's time to lamp lighting ceremony. I would like to invite our teachers to come on the stage and perform puja to the prophet of Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan.
ಅಕ್ಷರ ಕಲಿಸಿದ ಗುರುವೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಾವಿರ ಸಾವಿರ ವಂದನೆ. ಅಕ್ಷರ ಕಲಿಸಿದ ಗುರುವೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಾವಿರ ಸಾವಿರ ವಂದನೆ. ಬದುಕನ್ನು ರೂಪಿಸಿ ಹರಸಿರುವ ಪೂಜ್ಯರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ವಂದನೆ ಬದುಕನ್ನು ರೂಪಿಸಿ ಹರಸಿರುವ ಪೂಜ್ಯರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ವಂದನೆ ಗುರುವೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ವಂದನೆ ಗುರುವೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ವಂದನೆ
A very fine morning to all. The Indian culture gives immense importance to the relations between Guru and Shishya. The annual celebration of Teachers' Day takes place on September 5th in India. On the other hand, World Teachers' Day is celebrated after a month on October 5th. Teachers' Day in India is celebrated on September 5th on the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, the first Vice President and the second President of India. He was a great philosopher and a scholar. He was awarded Bharat Ratna and the highest civilian award in India in 1954 and honorary membership of British Royal Order of Merit in 1963. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was born on September 5th, 1888 in the Madras Presidency. A renowned teacher, Dr. Radhakrishnan served as a professor at prestigious institutions like University of Calcutta and Oxford University. He was also a prolific writer and promoted intercultural understanding through his lectures across the US and Europe. When Dr. Radhakrishnan became the President of India in 1962, he was visited by a few students to celebrate his birthday on September 5th. However, he suggested that students dedicate the day to the teachers. Thus, from then onwards, September 5th started being observed as a Teachers' Day in India there. Thank you.